God is so good and is wonderful. You know, I love to sing unto the Lord. For I have changed in this life. There is nothing we can give to God to show him our appreciation. Nothing. He made everything and gave it to mankind. So what do you think you have that you can give to him? Other than pouring out your soul before him, telling him that he owns everything. For he said that the earth is of the Lord and the fullness thereof. So everything in it, in everything. This song I titled Always. God is always on time. Whenever you are going through whatever and you think that your time has passed, this song is telling you that God is always on time. And when you call him, he is always available. In the morning, in the noontime, in the evening, at night, anytime. He's there when you call. Hallelujah. Oh Lord, you are always on time. When I call, you are always available. In the morning, noontime, evening and night, you are there when I call. You are never late. You are God on time. God on time. Oh God, you are always on time. When I call, you are always available. Yeah, in the morning, noontime, evening and night, you are there when I call. You are never late. You are God on time. Every day I work and see the light. I go to my knees and give thanks to Yahweh.